Fathom AI has been gaining some buzz lately, especially for those who struggle to keep up with meeting notes. But does it really deliver on its promise of simplifying your note-taking process? Let's dig into what makes this tool tick and whether it's worth your time. Fathom AI positions itself as a free tool designed to streamline the process of taking notes during meetings. It integrates with video conferencing platforms like Zoom, automatically generating summaries and highlighting key moments. This is a huge plus for busy professionals who need to capture important discussions without getting bogged down in details. The user experience is fairly straightforward. Once you connect Fathom to your Zoom account, it starts working in the background, creating notes while you focus on the conversation. What stands out is its ability to identify action items and decisions, which can be a real time saver. However, there are areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, while the automatic note-taking feature is impressive, the effectiveness can vary based on the quality of the audio and how clearly participants speak. Some users might find that it doesn't capture everything they need, which could lead to frustration. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Fathom AI is free, which is a significant draw for anyone looking to save on tools. The automatic note-taking feature is a game changer for busy professionals, potentially saving hours of manual note-taking. However, there are some concerns. The accuracy of the notes can be hit or miss, especially in larger meetings with multiple speakers. Some users may find that it misses context or important details. Plus, while it's great for capturing highlights, it lacks deeper organizational features that some might expect in a full-fledged note-taking app. This tool might not suit everyone. If you're looking for something more robust with advanced features, you might want to explore alternatives. But for those who need quick, straightforward summaries, it could be a solid fit. In conclusion, Fathom AI is a useful tool for anyone looking to simplify their meeting notes, especially if you're frequently on Zoom. Just be aware of its limitations in accuracy and depth. If you're okay with those quirks, it's worth giving it a try. Otherwise, consider looking for something more comprehensive.